Di sebuah lapangan parkir dekat Atlanta, negara bagian Georgia, seorang perempuan yang mengungsi dari Suriah belajar mengemudikan mobil. Ia dipandu oleh seorang pemilik dan instruktur di sekolah mengemudi Safety Driving School yang fasih berbahasa Arab.
The beginning it's kind of awkward for some people for first time being behind the wheels, but the end of the program they gained the benefit that they've been looking for.
Selama hampir 5 tahun, Safety Driving School menjalin kerjasama dengan program bernama Women Behind the Wheel yang menawarkan pelatihan menyetir gratis bagi pengungsi atau imigran perempuan.
It starts with the very little thing as a driving to build future and build healthy family.
Program ini didanai oleh ITHAR, sebuah kelompok nirlaba bermarkas di Atlanta yang membantu keluarga pengungsi yang melakukan relokasi ke Amerika Serikat.
I was really shocked to learn that a lot of these women were struggling because they were fully dependent on their spouses. So to go grocery shopping, to take their kids to the doctor's office, if they had a parent-teacher conference at school, anything that we kind of just hop into our car and drive to, they had to wait for their husband to come home from work, or their husband had to take a day off.
Dalam menjalankan program ini, ITHAR kadang harus berhadapan dengan benturan budaya.
Some of them came with the stigma of, my wife shouldn't drive, my wife shouldn't work, I should be the one providing. But we quickly explained, well, you can't really provide if you're making minimum wage and you have 6 mouths to feed in addition to helping with your wife. So she also needs to kind of learn how to drive and find a job and get out there. And once they came to that realization, they were incredibly thrilled with this initiative.
Pemerintah federal memberi bantuan finansial dan medis paling lama 12 bulan, sehingga program ini membantu keluarga pengungsi bisa hidup mandiri.
Learning how to drive and getting access to a license is critical to refugee women reaching that level of self-reliance, not just to meet the government regulations of where the cutoff is, where they're no longer dependent upon federal or government services, but they now can sustain themselves. But it is also such an emotional boost. It is such a psychological boost to say, I accomplished something. I did this.
200 lebih orang telah dilatih mengemudikan mobil dengan program ini. Pelajaran menyetir di Atlanta hanyalah salah satu program yang bertujuan untuk memberdayakan keluarga pengungsi, terutama perempuan, lewat pelajaran menyetir. Ada juga Refugee Women Rising di Omaha, negara bagian Nebraska, lalu juga Driving Opportunity di Denver, negara bagian Colorado. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.